Okay, good morning, evening, afternoon to everyone all around the world. My name is Aldi. I'm the weirdest tutor that you will have ever found on the internet. Yeah. And today we will be learning about we and ye. These two letters can also be used to create diphthong sounds to glide two vowels together. The letters we and ye can be used to glide sounds, the glide two vowel sounds. In a way, it creates a diphthong sound. Yeah. There are several different scenarios. First, let's talk about we and ye followed by a vowel. For example, this word, awi. Awi. So the we is used to glide between a and e. Awi. 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 Awi is bamboo. Yeah. Or awewe. So awewe. So the we, the W is used to glide the vowels. Awewe. Awewe means female. But you would usually use the word awewe if you're talking with your friends, yeah, not to someone older or in a formal context. Maybe wengi. Yeah. Wengi. Wengi. It means night. Or our favorite word, ewe. It's ewe. Yeah, so ewe. The W is to glide. Ewe. Ewe. Yeah. It means unavailable. This also applies to letter Y followed by a vowel. For example, the word ayah. Ayah. So if we is like gliding down, ayah is gliding using the E sound. The W is to glide using the W sound, and the Y is for the E. Ayah. Ayah. Yeah, ayah. It's the antonym of available. Yeah, and ayah are antonyms. Okay. Or maybe hayu. It's roughly equivalent to let's. Yeah, you would use these words to invite someone to do something like hayu sepak bola, or like hayu rendahar, let's eat together, things like that. Yeah, so it's the word that you would use to invite someone to do something, and it's pronounced as hayu, hayu. So the gliding using e. Yeah, hayu. And then we have ayuna. Yeah, ayuna. 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 Yeah, ayuna. It means now. Yeah. So as you can see, the letters W and Y can be used to glide the sounds of Sundanese letters, especially the vowels. Yeah. Another scenario would be a vowel followed by the Y and the W. So vowel plus Y, yeah, and vowel plus W. For example, we have tului. Yeah, tului. Yeah, the Y is gliding the U to lui, lui. Yeah, but it's not followed by another vowel. Tului, which means continue. Or continuously, it also can also mean continuously, depending on the context, yeah. Or maybe hurry. 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 It means a joke around. Like if you're saying something is just hurry, it means it's not serious, you know. And also apply to W. For example, cewau. Cewau, cewau. Yeah. Richo, richo. I think we can use the word richo. Richo is like a fus, you know, a butter. Yeah. So as you can see, the letters Y and W in Sundanese can also be used to glide vowel sounds. The W is usually to glide using U, like awi, awewe, wengi, or ewe. Yeah. And for Y, it's usually to glide using E, like aya, hayu, ayuna. Yeah. It can also apply if the vowel is followed by Y and W for like tului, herei, things like that. Yeah. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any kind of questions about Sundanese or West Java or anything in general, you have a content request, just drop it in the comments below, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.